You want to know how to check the battery health of your Apple device, and in this video I'll show you how you can do that. Now first of all, let's head over to the Settings app and scroll down just a tiny bit till the search bar pops up and search for battery and hit the first option. Now you can see all your battery consumption throughout the day, and if you scroll down even more, you can see your battery consumption for each app. If you click on battery health and charging, you can see the battery health of your device. Mine is 79%, so it doesn't look that great. Apple recommends changing your battery at 80%, and I recommend that you have optimized battery charging checked because Apple claims that it helps against battery aging, so make sure that it's checked on your device. If this video was useful to you, please make sure to subscribe to support me and my channel. It's highly appreciated. And as always, I hope to see you on the next tutorial.